Welcome to Tritech series of videos. Today we're going to show you how to rebuild a Tritech airless gun. This particular model is a T380. For detailed instructions on assembly and reassembly of your T380, refer to your owner's manual. Now we're going to remove the diffuser. Use a 9/16 box wrench or open end. Unthread your diffuser. Then you want to remove your rear cap assembly. Okay, now we're going to remove our knob retractor. Now comes the seal assembly. There are your retractor pins. All these parts are included in your repair kit, and they all should be replaced when you rebuild your Tritech airless gun. To reassemble, insert your new retractor pins. Now insert your seal assembly. Now you put your knob retractor. You want to hold your needle in place when you tighten that down. Now your rear cap and spring assembly. Now you can reinstall your diffuser. Keep your trigger pulled when you're tightening your diffuser. That keeps the ball away from the diffuser seat. Your gun is repacked. Thank you for watching Tritech series of videos.